Right, it's my Honda Rune. I'll give a quick walk around it. I didn't like the standard exhaust note, it was too quiet for me, so a friend of mine has cut a hole underneath the chrome. You can just take them chrome covers off. He's completely removed all of the internal baffles and pipe work. There's a fair bit of junk inside there. They're now totally open, two open exhausts. Not overly loud because it's but much deeper than standard. I'll start it up, and anyone who's thinking about doing this modification can listen to it. Not sure how good a quality this camera is for sound, but you should get some idea if you play a YouTube clip of a standard one. I don't know, pup. Give it a little rev. Hear the note change if you stand directly behind it, or to the left or the right.